The following video is part of a video assessment in which we are required to provide basic first aid for animals in a type of emergency. For each scenario, we need to identify the hazard and minimize the risk for myself, bystanders, the public, and animal. This is a fictional video and is only made for educational purposes. No animals were harmed during the making of this film. Scenario 5. An animal with a traumatic injury. Example scenario. You have found a bird hit by a car on the side of the road with damaged wing.
Okay, what we have here is that I believe it's a bird and it's been struck by a car. So what we're going to do is first, danger. Is there any dangers to me? The bird could be aggressive, so I'm going to monitor that. There's no danger to bystanders around me, and I'm going to make sure any car comes past us that they avoid the bird. Next is a response. Okay, so the bird is alert, but I've got to be very careful with the bird because he's going to be quite aggressive. Okay, with me I have personal protective gear. I've got some gloves, I got my glasses, my hair is tied back, and I've got hard-covered shoes. I have my telephone and I'm going to call wires on my local vet, make sure that they are aware that there is an injured bird here. I suspect a spinal injury, but it's always good to make sure. But I just believe that the bird has broken its wing. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put gloves on. I'm going to put gloves on because you never know what diseases this wild bird has. I'm going to be very calm. Hi birdie. Shh. It's okay, it's okay. Got a nice cardboard box in here. We're going to keep him cool. That's okay, it's okay. And what we're going to do, in one motion, we're going to scoop it up and place it in the box. So he's not moving, so something's quite wrong. We're going to keep him nice and cool by putting this towel over him. And now that he's in the cardboard box, we can export him to the nearest wires or vet service. We have now removed the animal from the hazardous and dangerous situation, so we can now provide first aid to the animal or on the way to driving to the nearest vet. We're checking for vital signs for the bird to make sure it's all okay. Now we're keeping it in the cool box just to make sure that it's, energy's low. We're going to make sure that it's calm, and we're going to get this animal to the vet or wires as quickly as we can. And once the animal's safe, we can record all the data and put it into our documents and records for today. Thank you very much for watching.